Welcome back to the channel. This
Hi.
is Stephsgotit, and today I have a special guest with me. You may remember my husband from the unboxing of the kalimba, which we have been, well, he's been practicing more than I have, but I've got 5 instruments to learn. So he's been having fun with it, and I have too. I did learn to play, I forgot. Anyway, it was a hymn. But anyway, today is Unboxing Wednesday. Yeah.
So nearly as good when I shimmy, yeah.
So I've got Marty with me to help me because the box is really big. And never mind the Christmas tree. Yes, we know it's still there. We like it there, and we'll leave it there till we're ready to take it down. Plus, it's a reminder that we need to order a new tree, a new fiber optic tree. So never mind that. But he's going to help me unbox this because it should be easy once we get it out of the box to open it up. But I still wanted some help to get it out of the box. And when I asked him if he'd do an unboxing with me,
Sure.
he of course said yes. Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and get you set up so that you're focused on the unboxing and not on us. Hold that thought. Alright, so this is the stand-up desk that I was telling you about a little while, about a couple of weeks ago that I got. And we are going to unbox it and see just how cool this big boy is. So, it's our box cutter. And actually it's funny because Shelley has this table and she told me she got it from Michael's with a very good coupon. I actually ended up finding it at a good price on HSN. I have never shopped on HSN in my life, but I found this table after a lot of searching and Googling for a price that I was okay with paying for. All right, so how do you want to do it?
I'm going to put this on this end on the floor, just turn it upside down, and then drag it out. Part way. Lay it down and then pull. Yes, you did it. You did it. That's perfect. Set her down. Okay. All right. Take the straps off.
The straps. Alright, we're getting there.
They slide this.
And it's already got cat hair on it.
We've adopted it clearly then.
Well, there's a piece that came off already. A little slit. Oh, I hope I'm not moving you there.
First, stand the desk in an upright position. I don't know what's
You've got a thingy down here.
Oh, thank you. I'm going to say, hand me that. Okay. What do you suppose is upright?
Oh, no.
That's not upright.
Well, this is the top right here.
Oh, okay. Pull the desk from both
So
sides
this
in
is
upward
the-
motion. One of these is the
This is the
bottom.
side.
There we go. All right.
Oh, there's another little piece. Did something break or is this?
This is broken. I hope it wasn't necessary.
Something's broken already.
It does latch. Both sides.
Wait, I have another piece.
Right.
Oh no, that's the piece that was down there.
Okay. Each take them in and pull away. Here's the latch. Sure. It has to be. You see that? Almost.
We both sat down at the same time. Oh, I see where the broken piece came from. No,
Got it.
No, I don't. Well, that was hard.
It's latched. Oh, you have to unlatch it.
All right, so step one. All right, so now
Come
you
toward
take
me because.
the.
Oh.
It's
we're
upside down.
Yep.
There we go.
Now it flips toward me. Which way does this go? No.
Oh, there's a hole. There's a hole. Yeah, that has to. No, this has to drop through the hole.
Right, that has dropped through the hole, but this has to be able to do so. Oh, there we go. Got
It
it.
latches.
It is latched. Now what?
That's it. This should be it.
That's all, huh? Does it get taller or shorter?
1, 2, 3, 4. Apply the locking mechanism. 5. Use both hands simultaneously.
At the same time.
To adjust levers located on both sides of the desk.
Well, they hid them very well. Oh.
So that's its lowest position. That is its highest position, which I think will serve our other purpose.
It might.
Just real.
It just might.
And
Okay.
it has wheels. We haven't put the wheels on yet. But I can stand up here and give you the news report from your daily TV.
Yes, you
So
can.
we can do a lot from here. So this is pretty darn neat. Here are,
Oh, pick one or the other.
what are these?
We have wheels and leveling feet.
Maybe these are the leveling feet. Because
No.
those are the wheels.
No, these are the wheels.
Oh,
We haven't opened it yet.
I don't know what these are.
Oh.
But this looks an awful lot like the
Oh.
broken piece.
Right.
Maybe? No, it's something else. I don't know. Oh, duh. Directions. Reading is essential. That's my favorite saying. And I use it a lot for myself. Handle installations. Oh. Okay, that would be nice. Yeah. Because they were kind of hard to grab.
Oh. Okay.
The other way just went right there. You go. So now,
Oh. Did you grab your
That was
fingers when
dumb.
you did that?
no, it didn't.
Okay, all right.
I
Can
don't
we
still don't know
slice
what
this
this
open
is
just
for.
to look at the wheels?
All right, we're just gonna work from up here. But even putting it together was really easy and quick. Imagine how easy it will be to work with on a day-to-day basis.
Wage fan.
go.
All right. So it's this or this. Wheels on it or sliding feet?
Since I'm going to let it down when I'm not using it, I'd rather have the wheels.
Okay.
Did you say sliding feet?
Yeah, I mean, look, they call them something else.
Leveling feet.
It's one or the other.
No, they don't roll. They're just to keep it level on the floor. But I'd rather have the wheels, please.
Definitely. Okay.
So it can roll out of the way and fold up behind one of the doors or couch or something.
So
until
we're
we
going
need it.
to lay it on its back and burp it to put these on.
Lay it on its back and burp it?
Well, it's a little baby, right? You know.
Okay. You want to let it down some?
We could. All right.
And this didn't lock.
Your side didn't. Okay.
Down just a
Wrench.
little. Oh, how good is that? It comes with a wrench. Awesome.
Where are you? Oops, sorry.
So I'm going to use this table for my Plan With Me videos. More importantly, I'm going to use it as my mobile work desk because right now my desk is the kitchen table where I have a corner of it set up with my shelves and book stands and things like that. And my back is starting to hurt because of the chair. My back has always hurt in that chair. That's one of the reasons I stopped sitting there. Then I moved to this couch. Then my back started hurting there. So then I moved back to the chair. I've been trying pillows and blankets and things behind me in the chair. And it's a really cool chair. So of course the camera turned off while we were recording all of that. So you saw Marty putting the legs on both sides. And
one end of the wrench fits the bolt, the other does not, but no big deal, just use the correct end.
Alright, so
the nut, sorry.
You can see it fits here perfectly. I'll pull my shirt down. And as I was saying that I was having back issues at my desk in the kitchen, so we got this to be a mobile desk so that I can sit here and do my work, do my scout planning, do my fitness instructor planning, and my Relief Society calling planning, and whatever else stuff that I need to work at the desk to complete. I will also probably be doing my Plan With Me's from this desk. I am going to shoot a Plan With Me immediately after this just to see if it works. There will be also some chances that he will get to use it and some chances that it will serve our family purpose. We're not going to talk about that, but and who knows? We'll just take it around the house and see ways that and my Facebook lives for my Maskcara beauty and the makeup videos that I'll do will probably all be shot at this table. Somewhere in the house. Preferably with a nice background. Probably not this background, but we'll figure out something. But anyway, we have lots of uses planned for the table, so we're very excited about it. I still don't know where that broken piece came from, and maybe eventually it will come to us where it came from. In the meantime, everything looks like it's working perfectly, and I'll show you how easy it is to take down. So we have to bring it up some because when the table top goes down, if it's not up high enough, it will hit the floor and it can't come all the way closed. So we'll bring it up just a tad bit. Okay, we'll undo the knob. We'll undo this latch on this side, And you can see these are the handles, okay? Then we'll lift it up and just flip it down. See, I didn't bring it up high enough. So you gotta bring it up. Okay.
Okay. Don't.
Ah, that's interesting because it should. Anyway, oh, make sure the handle. Did I put the handle upside down? No, it doesn't look like
It's the same way that it is in the instructions, but
All right.
the handle is getting in the way of folding this down.
Right,
You don't
because
really
it
need
should
the
touch
handle.
completely. But anyway, all right. Can you unbuckle that?
Sure do.
So there's a latch here that you unbuckle. And then you just pull it together. Pull that up. Push it together. And bam, you can just roll it away. Did you lock the leg? Okay, there it is. Whoa! Something's not right.
It's the handle
The handle.
sticking out. The handle sticking out keeps these. This hinge is meant to go up in there, but the handle is in the way. And you don't
Can you
really
pull the
need
table up, please? I mean, pull the top up, please.
it.
Pull the top, lift, pull the top, pull the top.
Oh, well, I had no minute. Ooh, can we get it back off?
Okay,
There it is.
there. I took one of the handles off. I don't know if that's just a temporary fix for this moment. I have to figure out what I didn't do right to get this handle so that it stays on. It may not even need the handle. I mean, it wasn't that difficult
No.
without. I'm just going to take them off. And you should be able to roll it. Bye-bye. Wait.
All done.
Let's see. There's got to be a way to lock this so that it doesn't do that. But I don't know what it is just yet.
They
So,
didn't send anything to do with it.
because those legs are popping out.
Well, sure. Well,
Anyway,
unlike other things,
I guess you have to just-
there are no parts left over here.
hold it together and just roll it away. That seems simple enough. Okay, it's not that difficult, but I would like to have these on, so I have to figure out that. Anyway, hon, there you have it. This is our stand-up desk. You can find this at HSN. Probably not $114 right now, but you can check and see. I will put the link in the description box below. You can also find it at Michael's for $249. Find yourself a very good coupon or a teacher to help you get it at the teacher's price. That's it.
That's all.
That's all we have for you today.
Thank you.
So we'd like to thank you for stopping by the channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for your comments and your support. Let me encourage you that if you have not clicked the subscription box below, please click that little red button below, or at the end of the video, click my pretty little face. And that will be a way to subscribe also. When you subscribe, don't forget to click that little notification bell, because that will notify you anytime that I or we upload a video.
Okay.
With that being said, hon, how do I always close? Remember, if you're having a good day, help someone else have a good day. It's the small and simple things in life that makes life worth living. Love and shimmies, babe.